Go ahead.
Yeah.
This is the first time he's eating with a spoon at our house.
Yeah.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah, baby. Want some chicken? Okay.
Tyler did for his first time. I guess
Don't
what?
what?
He learned how to. Now he learned how to.
Yay!
The spoon in his mouth with chicken on it and the first time.
Yay! Let's do one more.
Yeah. Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Here you go. No, not that way. Okay, here. Hold that way. Yay!
Hey!
Tyler learned how to first
One more?
with chicken on it and rice, and it's now for the first time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Say hi, Papa in Rhode Island.
Hi, Papa Ryan.
Say hi, Grandma in Rhode Island.
Hi, Grandma Ryan.
Say hi, Nornie.
Hi, Noni.
Okay. Whoa, what a good boy. What a good boy.
Waving at him.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Hey.
Bye.
Say bye.
Goodbye.
Say bye.
Wait for
Oh, I need to get another one.
Okay.